YouTube, what is up? Pulling up to this good old gas. I keep forgetting the gas tank is on the other side of this car. I don't know why they just didn't leave it on the left side, on the driver's side like everybody else. They want to try to be different with the Cherokee. It's so annoying. Anyway, what's up? We back with another video, man. This video is basically just an update on the Hawk. Y'all know the Hawk got in an accident. It's down for a while. So while that's out the picture, I'll be whipping around the white Jeep. Oh shoot! Getting out like an old man. I'll be whipping around the white Jeep and whatnot. So I got a breakdown of everything and how, basically how the parts cost, how much the parts are going to cost, and things of that nature. So I'll be going through the list. I put my code in. Why didn't I use my credit card for the points? I'm tripping. Does this count as talking on the phone when you're getting gas? Does this count? I don't know if this counts. Oh no! Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, we back in the car. That car, two of them tried to hurry up and make the turn before the other. Yeah, it was crazy. It was almost a big behind accident. But anyway, man, the car is currently sitting at Joe Hudson. And they, sent me a breakdown of the list and stuff like that. It's been up there for a few days now. They sent me a breakdown of everything, and that's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at the list, see how everything came up. So, as you see in the thumbnail in the other video, I had the total damages done by the time, that video was posted. So that's how I had that. Now, I actually have the breakdown of the entire list of the parts that will be needed. And hopefully it comes quick, because y'all know the whole strike and everything like that, and how parts are being delayed. I almost coughed in your face. Parts are being delayed and everything. Oh, y'all tell me I had something in my gold teeth. But anyway, pretty much finna just let the pictures roll through while we, go over some of the stuff. So basically, when I, took it there and they went through everything, they took the pictures and stuff like that. And so I got the record. And, I didn't realize how much a lot of this stuff costs and how it adds up and stuff like that. But it's crazy. Left and right headrests, both, like just the headrest part, $7.89 a piece. Yeah, so that give you an idea of how this stuff started adding up. Rear body panel, $537. Mountain bracket, $64. Needed 3 of those. Lift gate, $14.95. Right bumper rivet, left bumper rivet, $3.84. Handle for the outside door, $204. Lift gate with strap, I think, $146. Tail lamp assembly, $339. Bumper cover with blind spot, $544. Lower cover Trackhawk, $300. Stat panel, $440. Stat panel is $440, is insane. Impact bar with hitch, $539. Bezel Trackhawk, $189. Right upper shield, heat shield, $202. Yeah, this stuff really started adding up. But that's not even including, the stuff, but labor and stuff. But all in all, it came down to $12,850. That's what it came out to. I'm sorry, wrong one. So that was the parts. So when you do the parts and you add in the labor, it came up to $17,649. So yeah, that's basically that's basically what it all came up to. When they sent it to me, I thought it was gonna be we're gonna total it, and I really don't want it to be totaled, but if it gets totaled, it gets totaled. Hopefully not, and we just keep it that way. But as long as as long as I can keep the car
you know, we gonna be fine, right? Cause we gotta get the Hawk back on the road. We gotta get back to racing and dusting y'all off. You know what I'm saying?
Basically, all I really wanted to touch bases with, we're going to get the Trackhawk back. It's not going to be totaled, and you know that's what really I wanted. I didn't want it to be totaled. I was like, please don't total it out, because there's so much stuff I want to do. It's a lot of, you know, we got a lot. When I tell y'all there's a lot of stuff coming for the Hawk, y'all got to stay tuned, because there's a lot of stuff coming for the Hawk. We got to ramp the channel up. You know, we about to hit 1,600 subs, which is crazy. You know, we gotta get there, fellas. We gotta get there. So appreciate y'all checking out the video. Until next time, it's right lifestyle. Peace.